Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Wellness Apple. Today, we are going to discuss about diabetes. Uh, Diabetes is a lifestyle disorder, very common, particularly in India. It is rising or growing at very rapid rate. It's because of our lifestyle. Our lifestyle has become so erratic and it's out of control. So that's why this lifestyle disorders are uh, increasing in the nature. In diabetes, there is increase in sugar levels. So because of this increased sugar levels, most of the body part is exposed to high levels of sugar, and that's why it impacts most of the organs in the body. As you are aware, it's a chronic condition. By chronic, it means it's a for longer duration. So those who are having diabetes for 5 years, 10 years, they develop this kind of complications more often. Usually what happens when you have diabetes or there is increase in this sugar levels in your body, it will create some impact or effect on various body organs, which mainly includes your eyes. Our eyes, the vision will be affected as a complication of diabetes. It's called diabetic retinopathy. Apart from eyes or the vision, diabetes also damages the kidney. It the for main function of kidney is filtration of the blood, and as the kidney gets damaged, the filtration function gets affected and the toxins start accumulating in the body. The filtration function is altered. It doesn't work properly. The kidneys don't work properly. It's called as a kidney disease, chronic kidney disease. Apart from kidney and eyes, another major impact is on our heart or the circulatory system, the blood vessels. The patient who are having diabetes, they are more likely to develop blood related or blood pressure condition or any heart related diseases. So usually they go hand in hand. You might have come across many people who are having diabetes and also they are having blood pressure also. So these two conditions usually go hand in hand. Apart from this diabetes people, they usually get some skin infections, some oral infections. All these kind of problems also develop because of, like, in diabetic patient, the immunity goes down, the immunity is decreased, so that's why they get repeated infections, particularly common in skin infection. As diabetes or this high or increased sugar levels affects our blood vessels, it also creates or creates disorder in our skin, because the skin is getting blood supply, and the blood supply, the blood vessels are very thin or very small. So particularly in our leg, uh, or the part which is far away from heart, they have small blood vessels, and these small blood vessels usually get blocked, or the blood supply is hampered in or disturbed in those areas. So usually in leg, their toes will get affected because of decreased blood supply. Their nerve sensitivity is also going down. They don't feel, uh, like when they walk, they don't feel the touch of the surface, the ground or any stone or something like that. So that's why they get injury. Once they get this injury, the healing power of body is reduced, and that's why those wounds, the injury, that those injuries don't heal, and then they develop into ulcers. In most of the cases, those ulcer, if like not attended, if they are not treated properly or they are not treated in time, because the patient doesn't feel that sensitivity, okay, he is having some injury or that sort of thing, so he will ignore or he will not notice that, and develops into ulcer. And once it develops into ulcer, it's again, the blood supply is reduced, there are high chances of infection, and at the end, what it will result in is the blood supply is completely shut off, and the body part is completely dead. That toe, that uh, the toe or the finger in the foot, that gets completely dead, and the only option left is you have to cut that. So most of the cases, the doctor will try to save as much as part of the body, but some people end up losing their toes, some people end up losing their leg up to the knee. So the diabetes disease or condition itself is not it's definitely dangerous, but along with that, the complications are also dangerous. So the only way, or the most beneficial way, I would say, for diabetic patients is that they should uh, try to prevent developing the diabetes. So those who are already developed, they cannot prevent it, but they have to manage, or they have to take care of themselves, so that they control their sugar levels. But those who have not developed the diabetes, my sincere request to them is that develop a lifestyle, a habit which will prevent occurrence of such lifestyle diseases, diabetes, blood pressure. So this can be easily prevented by having healthy lifestyle. If you think this video was of any help, or this information is helpful, I request you to share this with your family members, your friends, so that they also understand the complications associated with the diabetes. If you have any questions related to this, you can type in the comment box. I will reply to those questions. Thank you.